So you're thinking about buying a condo in Orange Beach, Alabama? Well, today we are at the Mecca of all places. We are at the Turquoise Place in Orange Beach. If you know anything about Orange Beach, you've heard of Turquoise. I'm here with my partner, Aileen, and we are going to show you around a unit we just sold. We stick around for the entire video because boy, oh boy, do we have a surprise for you at the end of this video. You won't want to miss it. So let's get to it. Guys, listen, this unit is not for sale. We just sold it. But the reason we wanted to do this video is because we wanted to show you what the inside of these units look like, because there are some more units in here for sale, and they do come up from time to time. So it's a super, super duper nice place. I mean, listen, really, it's the old saying. There used to be a joke amongst realtors that, you know, if you wanted to get back on your feet and you wanted your business to explode, you got to sell a Turquoise Place. I mean, that's just the way it is. This is the upper echelon of places within Orange Beach. I'm not going to tell you there's not some nicer places, but it's kind of hard to beat.
guys, we are super excited to show you this unit at Turquoise Place. All the 3 bedrooms are in this whole building, and this is 2 buildings, C and D. All the 3 bedrooms are 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,300 square feet, and we are just so pumped up about this one. Our rock star agent on our team, Ashley Bias, sold this to one of you guys. And the best part is we negotiated a $100,000 discount on this unit. We are so fired up about it. I personally love Turquoise Place. It's one of the nicest complexes anywhere around Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, or Perdido Key. Has a ton of amenities. These amenities, I just cannot wait to show you. If you'll stick around through the whole video, we're going to show those to you. And there's one amenity that was recently added to Turquoise Place here within the last 12 months that you're definitely going to want to see if you want a property to enjoy with your family, if you want a good rental. In fact, we're going to put the rental link to this unit in the comment section so you can rent this unit. So we can't wait for you to come take a look with us. So come check it out. Welcome to Turquoise Place. Come on in. Every 3 bedroom in either building has this layout. We are up very high. I found out on the elevator up here that Andy is afraid of heights, so this should be fun.
True story.
So come on. So right here to the left, you have your first bedroom and plenty of room in here. This looks like 2 full-size beds to me, but I really think you could put 2 queens in here. And then the bathroom here for this bedroom. Pretty typical there. And here is bedroom number 2. They have put a king bed in here, but there's a lot of different variations of how I've seen people do furniture in here. Love the stand-up shower in here, the walk-through stand-up shower. It's nice to have in the guest bedroom. Love the half bath on the hallway. This is unusual to get that half bath unless you are in a really large, nice condo like this one. Utilities, AC and hot water heater, and a walk-in laundry room. Washer, dryer, and sink. Plenty of storage there. I have always loved the kitchens in Turquoise Place. You've got high-end appliances here, very large kitchen, and obviously it opens up to the dining and the living room, which is another feature that I love. And let's not forget the wet bar here off to the side. Really nice to have the ice, the wine cooler, the extra sink, you know, for the adults. Here is the very large and spacious living room. You know, I don't know what the new owners are going to do here, but there's room for a lot more furniture in here. So you can really comfortably sit and have a lot of people stay in this unit. It's just so much space here. I absolutely love how wide this is. Before we go out and check out the view, let's go check out the primary bedroom. So obviously this is a very large primary. You could easily live in this unit because of all the extra space. I have seen variations in here too. They've put a little desk over here for the people who have to work while on vacation, or if it's your place and you want to come down and work while you're staying in your unit. And then super large bathroom. You've got your stand-up shower. You have your soaking tub. I've seen a lot of them with TVs in this bathroom. This one has a TV in here. Double sinks. Private tucked away toilet. A lot of people like that. And then a walk-in closet. Let's go check out the view. So another unique feature that Turquoise has that just about no one else has is the gas grill on the balcony. That's a really big deal. Also, the stove is gas. That's also very unique. Hot tub on the balcony. I only know of a couple other complexes that have a hot tub on the balcony. So that is a very unique, awesome feature to Turquoise Place. And then this big balcony. You've got a hot tub, a grilling station, and plenty of room for seating here. And come a little closer, let's check out this view, because you can see all the way to the pass. Towards the east, you can see all the way to Florida and the pass. Absolutely gorgeous view. And then you can see almost to Gulf Shores from here as well. That red roof in the distance is Phoenix West.
And it is late November, and there are people on the beach in the water. Can't make this up.
Gorgeous day today. We are feeling pretty guilty about filming today. So just wanted to quickly give you some frame of reference on pricing in here. So the 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, they are, gonna be around 1.5 at closed sales price. We actually picked this one up for our clients for 1.4. Our Ashley Bias did a fantastic job representing them, and we are so excited that they got such a good price. Actually, the lowest sold 3-bedroom in Turquoise Place in the last 18 months. So great job, Ashley. If the corner units, so all the interiors are 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths here at Turquoise, same floor plan. All the corners are also the same floor plan. The corners are 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3,500 square feet. Absolutely jaw-dropping views in their every single bedroom in the corner units have a view of the water. They are fantastic. Now you do have to go more than double on your price point to get a 4-bedroom at Turquoise. That does jump up to around 3.5 on those. But definitely worth it. If it's something that is in your budget, you're definitely going to want to check out those corner units because they are fantastic. I personally could not love them anymore. So let's go check out the amenities because you're definitely going to want to see those. Look at these beautiful pools, these amenities. Absolutely love it here at Turquoise Place. You've got gorgeous pools. You got the bar and restaurant over here. Well, not restaurant, but the grill. You've got 2 outdoor pools. You saw the awesome kids slide that they added. That was just added here within the last year. This is the first season that was open. Huge amenity to have now. You saw the indoor pool, tennis courts, fitness center, lazy river. There's nothing else you could ask for in a property, and you get all the square footage of the 3 bedrooms at 2,300 square feet and the 4 bedrooms at 3,500 square feet. Can't say enough good things about this complex. They are also excellent rentals. So if you are ever interested in a Turquoise Place, give us a call, text us, email us, set up a Zoom. We would love to show you Turquoise Place in person.
All right, guys, that's going to about do it for our video here today at Turquoise Place. Listen, if you see anything in this video that you like, if you want some more information on Turquoise Place, if you want some more information on anything for sale within Baldwin County, that's Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, Foley, Daphne, Spanish Fort, anywhere within Baldwin County, we are the people to call. So pick up that phone, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, set up a Zoom call. We're not scared of you. We'd love to talk to you face to face. We get phone calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we love it. So listen, be sure and watch some of our other videos. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.